Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is tofu teriyaki. Yes, that's right. So instead of using beef or chicken, we will go with something healthy and less expensive. We will use tofu. So if this is something that you want to learn, please keep on watching. Let's check out the ingredients. Tofu, soy sauce, cornstarch, brown sugar, sesame seeds, rice wine, sesame oil, onions, garlic, butter, and green onions. You like this video, please don't forget to like and share. And for the complete recipe details, please check on this video description. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure to click on that little bell so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. You can also like and follow us on our Facebook page. We're also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And if you wanted to check out more recipes, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. And in case you're interested to check on Masflex cookware and kitchenware products, I will put their link on this video description. Just letting you know that you can also buy your Masflex cookware from Shopee. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye!
Masflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.